Thank you very much. I'd like to thank Ritz, Mercedes-Benz, Aruna, Mr. Abdul Kader, and the panel. Thank you very much. Really, really honored, really, really humbled. Got a few awards, but I think most admired celebrity kind of takes the cake. I like it. I think I'm going to show this to my grandchildren. And I'm going to be very proud of this award. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for a wonderful show.
Good evening. Thank you, Ritz and Mercedes, for this award. It's an honor. Style, honestly, a year back, I would have taken this test and failed miserably. Style, I had no clue. So that's the reason I'm going to take a minute here, dedicate this award to my best friend and my stylist. I want her to come here, Neeraja Kona, for taking the ugly duckling and sort of making her into a swan. And I'm really, really happy to present her this award because I believe she truly, truly deserves it.
Okay, no. Thank you, Sam.
That's it. She had speeches prepared, which she bored me with, and thank you.
That is not for this. My imaginary film fair, when we ever have one.
Thank you, thank you.
Praise the Lord. So good evening to everybody. First of all, let me thank Rohits and Mercedes for choosing me for this honor. And I thought, Master, it's a little early. I have a lot of things to achieve. I didn't expect. Anyway, thank you. And my sincere thanks. And I think this is the right place to show my thanks to my wife, Suma, because, you know, as my work demands, I'll always be inside my recording studio day and night within the 4 brackets. So she's the one who pulls me out, decorate me, and entertain me. So thank you, Suma. Thank the Lord for this fantastic gift, as well as Ritz for making both of us. I think not often we used to, you know, appear before everybody as a couple. So thank you, Ritz, Aruna.
Well, I'd like to thank Ritz, Aruna, and of course the jury and everyone else present here for having us here. Thank you.
Sit on my head to like wear something decent. I wear the same four clothes that if I go on an outdoor. The only time I enjoy dressing up is for an event, so it's really rewarding, I think, to get an award like this. I think I dedicate this to my wife. Baby, as long as I have you on my arm, I could be wearing scrubs to a black tie event, and I'd still look good. Thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. It's nice to get an award. The last time I went for an awards function, I think I was Samantha's chaperone. Right, Sam? And you outdo yourself every time, Aruna. It's fabulous. Mercedes, Kader Bhai, thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. And you know, there's just one thing that I wanted to say. when it comes to Mercedes, I'm sure that you're already aware of it, but what I've seen in my recent experience in cinema is that they are all a little bit wary of the Mercedes because of legends and stories that go behind it. So that might be something you need to look at and see if you can change. But thank you again once. Thank you.
Varun was talking about the myth about Mercedes-Benz and celebrities. It is true. That's only when you buy the car. When they give it free, it doesn't happen that way. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritz. Thank you, jury. I really wish that I can be in vogue in movies as well. But unfortunately, every time a director comes to me and he says, so madam, as I said, yenna look, sir. He said, cotton sari, no makeup, avlada. I'm like, okay. So I'm just waiting for that one movie where I can still be in vogue in films as well. Thank you so much.